But today is not your exam. Today is your IP exam. Na? Your exam is over yesterday. Have you got the papers of all the subjects? Only physical education. Very good. Chalo. As soon as possible, I will check your papers. Once I will open it, then it is. This time MCQ is only there, na? So I will check it very soon and send it in your group. Okay. Uh, Chalo. Let us try with the something related to list. I think we were doing agreement. Let me check your syllabus as well. Wait. Of the term 1 syllabus, I need to complete that. Yes, there will be computer system organizations, computer thinking and programming, iterative till the strings only. It is there till the strings only. Okay, and sorting we have already done. The list tuple dictionary are in another chapter or another term, right? We have already done the few portion of the list also, no issues. Okay, we have already done the few portions of the list also, so no problem. Only our two chapters are left, computer system and organizations. I think I have started that also, na, in your group. And number systems, this unit 2 we have already done, the full unit 2. Are you able to see that? Okay, this unit 2 we have already done. Okay, introduction of the programming and knowledge of the data types, different types of data types, operators, expressions, errors, condition statements, flow of control, iterative statements, strings as well, factorial, everything we have done. Right. Only this unit
Ma'am,
1
I have
is
a
left.
slight doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, there was this question in the exam in which it was asked if mathematical operations apply on string. So only one applies, that is multiplication. So it should be two now.
Arithmetic operators, so all types of arithmetical operators, sorry, all types of operators are there. Na? Are you asking about the operators only or the arithmetic operators?
Ma'am, mathematical operators. So ma'am, arithmetic only.
In mathematical operators.
Ma'am, the question was if mathematical operators apply on strings. हम so
हाँ
उसमें मैम arithmetic भी आता है ना.
देखो arithmetic आता है आपका, but mathematical operators, if I'm asking about that, so what will be the mathematical operators here in your Python, whatever you're using there?
Ma'am, plus, minus,
हाँ exactly.
and division and multiplication.
एग्जैक्टली, ठीक है, तो यही चीज तो होगी आपकी, whether I'm writing the arithmetic operators or the mathematical operators, then it is totally understood, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, basic operator organizations, this we have already started, types of softwares as well. I'm just opening that file only, just wait. Have we started that in our previous classes? Have we started that? So no issues, एक काम करते हैं. First of all, we will start with the list and sorting techniques only. Okay, यही start करेंगे क्योंकि this chapter half we have already done. I think more than half we have done, right? So we will continue with that only. Then after that, I will continue in the next classes with the computer organization chapters. Okay, tell me what is list? We have already done that. What is list? Good morning. Are you aware or not? I need to start from the starting because few portion only we have done. Give me the response here. I need to start from the starting or you knew it. That I want because actually we have done almost the full portion of the list. Not the full portion, only the few, but half of the portion we have done. Okay, before the examinations. So that's why I'm asking that I need to start. क्योंकि break बीच में हो गया ना बेटा हमारा. So I need to start from the starting or from the mid part. Okay, I will start. So if you're saying that I will start from the starting, so it is okay. That this is the portion of the second term. So first of all, we will complete our term one course. Then after that, I will start that. Is this okay? Is this okay? Because there will be the confusion otherwise. There will be the confusion otherwise. Okay. So firstly, we will complete that particular portion from there only. Okay. Just wait for a second. I'm just opening your file. Okay, I think there is no use to start it in the mid or from the starting. This is the second term portion. So after that, kindly do practice till the string. Okay, kindly do practice because in the first term syllabus there will be the yes class. There will be the four PDF for computer organizations, right? Then after that, types of softwares. Few portion I have already discussed and I think before your examination, right? And after that, एक मिनट. नहीं बच्चे, just sharing. Wait. Yes. This one, I hope that we have already started. So what is computer? Hannah, all these definitions we have done before our examinations. Okay, introduction to computer system. Okay, hardware, software also. This hardware, input device, output device, I'm very sure. Arithmetic, memory and the control unit. Memory unit. Okay, cache memory तक हो गया था हमारा. What do you mean by the cache memory? Tell me fast. What do you mean by the? Okay, what is the difference between RAM and ROM? ROM is permanent. Okay, what is cache memory? That is very fast and as per the adjustment of the memory, as per the requirement of the memory, it will give the CPU will use the cache memory part. Okay, and this is very fast. So according to that, the processing also will be very fast. Okay, if we are doing something according to that. Okay, first of all, we should discuss with that also, right? RAM. It is a type of volatile memory. Volatile means. Volatile means.
Dynamic.
Okay. ठीक है ना? And can't store data permanently in that. It is volatile in nature, so can't store the data permanently. Read-only memory, non-volatile. Okay, memory. So the data is stored permanently and cannot be altered by the programmer. Okay, secondary memory. What is the example of secondary memory? What is the example of secondary memory, Agnish?
Pen drive.
Okay, any CD, pen drive, any secondary memory you can use for that. Okay, a storage which is to supplement the main memory of a computer, often referred to as secondary storage. This section of computer's memory is non-volatile. Okay, has low cost per bit stored. It means just like the ROM, CD-ROM or anything you can take. Okay, cache memory. A small high-speed memory which is used to increase the speed of processing by making current programs and data available to the CPU at a rapid rate. ठीक है? Volatile computer memory which is very nearest to the CPU, so it is called the CPU memory also. Cache memory को आप क्या कहते हो? CPU memory also we can say, and is between CPU and RAM. All the recent instructions are stored into the cache memory. CPU and RAM related recent instructions are always stored in the cache memory. Why? Because at the requirement, as per the requirement, okay, it can get the data very soonly from the cache memory. It is the fastest memory and provides a high-speed data to a computer microprocessor. This is the difference between the RAM and ROM. This is already we have discussed. Secondary storage devices. The examples are given there. Okay, movable. These are the examples for their hard disk is a set of stacked disks. To be a hard disk also you can take in the secondary storage devices. Okay, input devices. Some examples of input devices are given there. You can see that. What is keyboard? Everyone knows. Mouse knows, right? Scanner. Scanner, do you know about the scanner? For scanning the data, okay?
Files and documents.
Everyone aware with this because this is very much available in your phone also, right? OMR, optical mark reader. It is specially used for reading the OMR sheets. Exams if they are providing. That's why if there will be the offline examinations for your MCQs type in the term 1 like or in the term 2, if there will be the MCQs type questions, so definitely they will conduct the exam in the OMR sheets, right? Optical mark recognition, a reader is used to read marks on a document, send them to the computer. Okay, by the help of this device, OMR device, they can read the data of the OMR sheet. OCR, what is OCR? Image. For example, हाँ, ठीक है, like you can see the code also na, at the back of your book some code are given there in the form of lines है ना, some code. Yeah, so that also, it means that kind of character recognition, it can recognize the characters from there by the help of OCR. MICR, magnetic ink character reader, it is specially used especially with the banks. Okay, magnetic ink character reader is an input device, generally finds application is bank to process checks. चेक वगैरह में यूज किया जाता है उसको प्रोसेस करने के लिए, ठीक है, MICR. माइक्रोफोन, माइक्रोफोन माइक्रोफोन आरव शर्मा, microphone, it receives audio generated by some input sources, ठीक है, send the same to the computer. स्पेशली जो ऑडियो है उसको रिसीव करने के लिए माइक्रोफोन will be used. Okay, to send the data in the computer form in the computer. Webcam, webcam सब बच्चों को पता है, generally you are using the webcam there. Okay, in the online classes also. Okay, for sharing the photo. Okay, it sends the captured image to a computer. Graphics tablets, is there anyone knows about the graphic tablets?
It's a device we can draw by using our hand.
हाँ, ठीक है, it is specially used for drawing the graphics. Okay, for the drawing purpose it is used. This input device used to draw using hand. Okay, track balls, track ball बताओ, example, everyone knows about it. Track balls, track ball.
Ma'am,
एक मिनट बेटा, keep it there. Yes बच्चे, track ball.
it is similar to mouse.
हाँ, ट्रैक बॉल्स सिमिलर टू माउस, उसके अंदर जो वो होता है, जो आपका बॉल होता है ना, दैट इज अ ट्रैक बॉल ना, इट इज एन अपसाइड डाउन माउस. ओके, तो माउस में फॉर जो मूव करता है माउस को, वो क्या होता है, जो बॉल होता है ट्रैक बॉल, ठीक है. बार कोड रीडर फॉर रीडिंग द बार कोड्स. ओके, इट इज यूज्ड टू रीड द बार कोड ऑफ द वेरियस आइटम्स. हर आइटम के पीछे वॉट एवर यू आर परचेसिंग फ्रॉम द मार्केट, okay, in the packet the barcode are given there na, so for reading that barcode reader is used. Gamepad, okay, joypad is input control of the video game, especially it is used. Joystick, this input is also used to control the video game, joysticks. Okay, the both are used for the video games purpose. Is this okay? Now in the next class we will start from the output device. Output device is also clear, ठीक है. The monitor, speaker and projector we can include in the output device. Monitor you have seen, speaker everyone knows about it, and projector as well. Projector, do you know about the projector? In the smart classes we are
used to get the image on a screen on wall.
This is also the output device. It means if we are giving something from the screen, it means output if we are getting, so that is the output device. Okay, in the next class we will do both input and output device. From this page we will do. Right, I'm going to take your attendance. Wait. Just a second.
Is there any news about opening of schools, ma'am?
Opening of the schools.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, it depends on the government policy. Whenever they will declare that, so definitely we will open the school. Do you want to come soon? Do you
Ma'am,
want
actually,
to
my
come?
parents were asking me.
Huh?
Ma'am, actually, my parents were asking me.
Okay. No issues. Actually, they have given the information only for the project and practical work of the class 12th and 10th. So whenever they will announce that, then definitely the school will open. Right? As per the
And the
announcement of
practical
the
work is not for
government.
11th.
Okay, ma'am.
But as per the announcement of the government, they will open that. Okay? Otherwise, uh, in the computers, you are already doing practical sessions in the computers only, computer science. Anna, there is no problem in the computer science, maybe, I can guess, in the downloaded software, but for the rest of the subject, it is very much required. Am I right? Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay. So by the share of the screen also, or by doing the different programs in your computer, you can share with me. So that by that way we can do the practical. Till then the school is opening. Otherwise, after opening the school, definitely we will do in the lab also. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But in the other technical subjects, um, I can guess that you are facing some problem because lab is very much required for that. Anyway, Akansha Sharma, जल्दी से बताओ बेटा मेरे को. Akansha Sharma present. आज ना very few students are present. Wait, I'm just downloading the attendance because very few students are present. Then I will check that. Okay. I downloaded your attendance. You can leave fast.